Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your work experience in LinkedIn. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your LinkedIn application. Then click to your profile icon from the top left corner. From there, go to Settings. Then click to Visibility. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen. Once you have done that, go to Edit your public profile. Then scroll down a little bit. From there, you can enable your profile's public visibility. Once you have done that, you can hide your work experience in LinkedIn. This is how you can hide work experience in LinkedIn. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.